So in the mountains there's no barber, right? No salon here. So I park beside the road here in the morning, because last night we were staying over here beside the road. And then I cut my hair. Let the sun go down. Take my hand and find expression in the silent night, and let the moon break in. We saw a platypus. Check it out. And after 2 hours of driving, we finally reached Springbrook National Park, natural bridge.